Amazon is primarily a marketplace, with over 1.7 million small and medium-sized enterprises selling things on the site. If there's anything not on Amazon, it most definitely does not exist. Yep, there's no denying that. This company grabbed 50% of the US market share in 2020. Let's take an inside look at how Amazon earns money. Amazon's revenue segments. North America, International, and Amazon Web Services are Amazon's business, AWS, sectors. The first two sectors, North America and International, are concerned with Amazon's retail divisions. Amazon earns money from retail sales in North America and the rest of the world in subscriptions and export sales. Retail can be further divided into internet stores, which account for most sales, and physical stores. In Q4 for year 2021, online stores earned $66.1 billion in sales, or approximately 48% of total net sales, while physical stores generated $4.7 billion, or about 3% of total net sales. North America. Amazon's North America segment accounts for most of its net revenues, with $82.4 billion in Q4 for year 2021. This represents a 9.3% increase over the previous quarter and accounts for around 60% of the company's net sales for the quarter. The segment had an operating loss of $206 million during the quarter, a considerable drop from the year-ago quarter's operating profits of $2.9 billion. So is Amazon profitable here, even with such a high operating loss? We know how billionaire success stories are very inspirational to you, and that's why we've lined up a couple of them for you. Kindly click the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to not miss out. Aside from retail, subscriptions such as Amazon Prime, which provides unlimited free delivery and unlimited streaming of movies, TV series, and other content, are another significant source of revenue in North America. International. Amazon's international section includes Amazon's consumer product retail business and subscriptions for globally focused online retailers. It has export sales from those stores, but excludes deals from online stores targeted in North America. In Q4 for year 2021, the division recorded an operating loss of $1.6 billion, a considerable drop from the year-ago quarter's operating profitability of $363 million. The international segment's net sales declined roughly 1% year-over-year to $37.3 billion, accounting for around 27% of overall net sales. Amazon Web Services, AWS. Amazon Web Services, which was founded in 2006, provides data storage and delivery services to corporations, government agencies, and academic institutions. AWS, according to Amazon, is an infrastructure platform in the cloud that can be used for a range of solutions, including hosting apps and websites, offering enterprise information technology, and content distribution. Our Amazon case study found a lot in their quarterly profits. In Q4 for year 2021, Amazon's AWS business achieved $17.8 billion in net sales and $5.3 billion in operating profitability. Net sales increased 39.5% in the previous quarter, and operating income increased 48.5%. Although AWS's net sales are lower than those of the North American and international sectors, AWS's operating profitability is significantly higher. Retail sales and the Amazon store. Amazon will have made over $404 billion in retail sales by 2020. This accounts for a major portion of Amazon's revenue. Fees for retail sales are different. Individual sellers on the platform are charged $0.99 for every item sold. Amazon FBS helps you keep your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers, and we pick, pack, ship, and offer customer service for them through Fulfillment by Amazon. Additionally, there are closing fees ranging from $0.45 to $1.35. Professional sellers pay higher closing fees, which average 13% and can reach 25%. Amazon has gradually increased seller fees, with the most recent rise being in June 2021, ranging from 2% to 3%. This has become one channel in how Amazon makes money. While Amazon is most recognized for its retail operations, it has also successfully expanded into publishing and production through Kindle. It makes money from these subscriptions, while also keeping a profit for content creation. We'll tell you more pretty soon, but you'll have to watch to get there. That's the twist. Amazon Prime subscriptions. Continuing, another example of how Amazon makes money is through its Prime service. Amazon Prime is the company's subscription program. The fees may be paid on a monthly or yearly basis. It costs $119 per year or $12.99 per month. Prime members save money on shipping, have access to Prime Music, Prime Reading, and Prime Video, and are eligible for special deals. Given a choice between Amazon Prime and Netflix, which will you go for? Tap the like button for Amazon Prime and dislike for Netflix. In 2020, Amazon Prime sales brought in more than $25.21 billion in income. Amazon's pricing has risen over time, with a Prime membership costing $79 per year. Amazon Prime is available in a variety of countries. For example, in Canada, Amazon Prime costs $7.99. CDN a month and accounts for nearly $3.5 billion in Amazon subscription revenue. That translates to one country making the company over $3 billion. Mind-blowing, right? Kindle. With its Kindle offerings, Amazon is a leader in digital book systems. While it's often assumed that Amazon sells the Kindle at a loss, the company makes money via advertising and media sales. The media sales represent the cost of each book sold on the platform. Readers can pay for each book sold or subscribe to Kindle Unlimited for $9.99 per month. Like Amazon FBA, Amazon keeps $0.15 per megabyte file size of the book sold on books costing over $2.99. There are also delivery fees that vary by country. Here's a joke to test your intellect. What did they use to set the Amazon warehouse on fire? Well, it's the Amazon Kindle. What Amazon service can't you stop using? We'll love to hear from you in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. If you still have time, consider watching Unbelievable Amazon Supply Chain Management You Should Know About. We'll see you in our next release.